Yeah, honey.
Hey, Mom. I got some very good news today.
What is it?
I was given the Milken Educator Award, and I got $25,000.
Are you serious?
Yes, and you're on speakerphone, by the way. So they hear everything you're saying. But
Oh,
are you okay? Are you walking or what?
I'm walking.
Okay. But I just wanted to let you know that.
Oh, so how did they pay you for your school?
I don't know yet, Mom. I haven't talked about it. It's my own, Mom. It's for me.
Oh, no, honey.
I know. I'm so excited. But they just want
They nominated you for what?
a Milken Educator Award. There's only one in the whole state of New Mexico, and I was the one who received it.
Oh, honey, congratulations.
Thank you.
Did you let everybody know? Who told you?
No, they did a whole award ceremony at school, and they presented it here.
Oh, God, I wish I was there.
I know. Well, I didn't know I was getting it, so just wanted to let you know.
Oh, thank you for letting me know, honey.
Uh-huh.
All right.
I'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Uh-huh.